What? It's like 7:30. And yeah. Really? I'm tired. Parker was up to like almost like midnight and here, be careful. Be careful. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Don't fall on my laptop. You just sit. Here, get up on my bed with me. Here, get up here with me. Here. Oh, you found my tablet. Of course. Of course, you found my tablet. Alright, so your outfits of the day. For Preston, we have this tree shirt. It's kind of hard to see. I'm going to turn this light on. Maybe it'll help. There we go. We have this t-shirt with this overall. So that's for Preston. And for Parker, we have this white t-shirt. This no-do kind of jacket with some pants. So those are their outfits.
Come here, please. You're too far from me.
Preston, get over here.
Preston. Okay.
Yeah, no, yeah. Hey, Preston, yours is right there.
Brianna.
Oh,
hello. That was go.
what are you doing, handsome dude?
Cheese.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. The video, hi. See, it's recorded Preston, see? Preston's being silly. Preston, oh my goodness, don't mess up your hair, buddy. Come here. You messed up your hair or something. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Your hair's so short, you can't really do anything with it. What? Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Don't make any noise. Listen to your mom.
What you doing?
What's heavy?
Found a ball?
Yeah, what ball? What ball?
Get it. Grab it.
Out the ball. The ball. Hey, the ball. The ball. Hey, right there. Hey, right there. You back? You back? You back? Oh. Face. Face. What's face?
What are you doing?
What's face? Oh.
Oh, you see the bird. I don't think the birdie's gonna want you to come after it. Come here. I don't think the bird wants you to follow it. No, I don't think so. Let's go find some other birdies. I don't think that birdie wants us.
I got the ball.
Yeah, we gotta go get your ball now.
Where's the
You
ball?
left it. You left your ball. No, don't you? Go get the ball.
Oh, the ball.
got it. Blow on it. That's right. Don't put it in your mouth. Like you did last time. Yeah. Blow on it. Did you find another one? No, I don't want it. Drop it. Good job. Did you find a lot of them now? Yeah? Get your ball. Get the ball. Hurry. Go get it. Did you get it? You tackled it. How like a light. Now get the fun part. You get a drop with the pillows so we don't fall off. So much as the day about to eat some fruit snacks. Eating some fruit snacks.